Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to disable Messenger chat history pin. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So first thing you have to do is open your Messenger, and then once you're here, tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Then tap on the settings icon, this one. From here, just scroll down, and then tap on privacy and safety. Now tap on end-to-end encrypted chats, then click on message storage. Once you've done that, just simply turn off secure storage and also delete and turn off secure storage. Just tap on the both. Now after you do that, they will ask for your PIN, so make sure you have that ready, and then once you have entered your PIN, just tap on continue. And that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!